Today we are all the way up in northwest of Las Vegas. We're about 27 minutes away from Mount Charleston and 38 minutes from Lee Canyon. And we are about 35 minutes towards Las Vegas Airport, which is the Harry Reid Airport. Now today's tour is at the landings at the Talus built by KB Homes. We're going to be taking a look at 3 different models today. This first model is 2469 in square feet. It's a 2-story home, 4 bedrooms. It can go up to 5. It's a 2.5 bath, a 2-car garage. This is the exterior of the first model, which is their largest floor plan of all models. Base price starting for this home is $441,990. That excludes any lot premiums. There will be 2 different elevations to choose from. Now you'll get pavers in the drive-through area and the walkways. You'll have low maintenance desert landscaping as well. And your entrance for your home will be on the side of the house. Walking towards the covered patio area, if you look right above, you'll have 2 candlelight lightings. And let's walk through the front door. So when you walk in, to the right, this is going to be your garage. And then you have your coat closet right here. Let me take off my glasses so I can see. Then you have, this looks like 9-foot ceilings. Nice flooring right here. To the right, that's going to be the office right now, but that's going to be your bedroom. This would be the bathroom, a half bath. And let's go towards the first floor. So right when you enter, you have the kitchen right here to the right, your living room right here, and this would be your dining area. Then you have your backyard right here. It's a little bit of a small lot. The HOA for this community is $65. There's no SIDS and lids. It's going to be gated. There's going to be a total of 231 homes in this community, and there's already over 100 sold. Here's another look from this side of the room. Okay, appliances are not going to be included with this builder, which is KB Homes. Here's your pantry, but you will get obviously your microwave, your stove, and your oven, and your dishwasher right here. I do love this island. This is a quartz countertop. You get this undermount prefabricated, it's like a fiberglass sink. Nicely done. Okay, they want to let you guys know about this, that this is a model home. So a lot of these things, a lot of the stuff that you are seeing in here are professionally designed by their designers. Okay, what do you guys think? Give it a like below on this video. All right, let's go upstairs to the second floor. This is gonna be carpeted. And then to the right, let's start off on the right side of the house. You have a loft section. We're gonna enter one of the bedrooms. This would be a walk-in closet. Then continuing down the hallway to the left, this would be your shared bathroom with a double vanity sink. You have your tub and shower combo, prefabricated. It's a little low over here, but you know, for you tall people, I don't know if you might like that. Your toilet. Then right across that directly is another bedroom. And here is another bedroom. This would be your third. But check this out, guys. Look at the view of what you're gonna get from this community. Look at all, there's still snow caps up there. It's a little windy outside today. Disruption, here's your closet. Let's walk towards the other side of the house. Now, remember guys, if you guys do decide you guys want to see any of these community builds, don't forget to bring a realtor with you. This is your washer dryer room. Obviously there's no washer dryer in there because it doesn't come with it. Here's another look of your linen for your storage. And this is your primary bedroom. That will come pre-wired as well, just letting you know. Here is your bathroom with a walk-in shower, and you get a large bench right here. Looks like it's a little slanted. That's different. Usually it's pretty flat. I like what they did with this. They have the quartz backsplash. You do get an optional window, as it states up there. And you have your double vanity sink, quartz countertop, and this is your toilet room. And check out this large walk-in closet, guys. And you have a little stacked shelving right here. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's it for this one. Let's check out the other model. This is model 2069. It's a 2-story, 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Starting price is $409,990 and goes all the way up to $412,190. Two different elevations to choose from. All right, as we enter, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings. Obviously, these flooring is going to be upgraded. You have your garage to the left, and then to the right of that is your staircase to the second floor. But let's get started on the first floor. When you enter, you're going to have your kitchen on the left side of the home. Then you have your living area right in front, and then your dining right here. And then to the left of that, this would be your coat closet. You have another closet for your storage, and then you have a half bath, your sink, your toilet in right there. As we continue this way, this would be your backyard. It's a pretty decent backyard, decent size. Okay, I don't know if it's going to include any of these pavers, but more than likely not. Let's just assume you won't. Drop my glasses. Okay. Here's another view from this corner of the house. And then let's get back towards the kitchen. Let me show this side off to you guys. So you have a granite countertops with the black handlebars. Okay, very nice cabinets. You won't get the fridge. Wow, this is your pantry. Look how the size of this pantry. This is fairly decent. This is a nice size. You have your dishwasher, microwave, your stove, your oven. With an island, you have your bar stool seating. Nicely done. And they do mention right here that the cabinet box sizes will differ in production, so depending on which upgrades that you guys decide. Here's another look from this side of the house. Now, let's go upstairs. All right, as always, let's start off to the right. And you're gonna have the loft right here. Let's go right here to this area. This is your storage area. This is your storage. This would be where your washer and dryer would be. Let's continue to this side of the house. I believe this is your primary. Yes, this is. And this is your primary bathroom. But check this out, guys. So you have a separated stand-up shower. with the separated tub. But look at that view. Check out that view, guys. I mean, you have a nice view from this specific model. All right, you got the stand-up shower right here with the black trims on the glass walk-in. And then you have the quartz backsplash, nice tone with the gray. You have the white and the black trim. I love this combo. Then you have a double vanity sink right here, the undermount with the black faucet. And this is your toilet room. Now let's continue to the other side of the home. If you guys like this tour, do me a favor, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you're going to be the first one to be notified whenever I do any of these tours. All right, as we continue here in the hallway, this is your shared bathroom. You have the tub and shower combo right here. It's prefabricated. It's a little low. I'm 5'6", so this feels a little low to me. So I don't know if you guys want to get that upgrade all the way to the ceiling to make it feel a little taller. Okay, there's your toilet. Then you have the 3 rooms. Here's your other room. Bedroom 2, bedroom 3 with your walk-in right here. And you got a little window, what? And bedroom 4. You have a closet right there. That's not a walk-in. Yep. All right, guys, what do you guys think? If you like this tour, like this video, comment below. Let me know if you guys like this specific floor plan. All right, let's get to the next model. Like the wind just died down a little bit, so let's take advantage of this. As we exit the second model, this is gonna be a third one right here. This third model is gonna be model 1590. It's 1590 square feet. This is a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with 2-car garage. Also 2 different elevations. This specific model is gonna start off at a base price of $389,990. Don't forget, there is a lot premium of $10,000 to about $28,000 depending on which lot you choose. Now, as we walk in, this is gonna be their smallest model. All right, I love this teal blue door right here. Okay, so as we walk in, you have your half bath immediately right when you enter for your guests and anybody that comes in. And I can tell it's a little bit lower. This is the 8-foot ceiling. All right, this is upgraded as well on the tile flooring. This is like an 18 by 18 ceramic tiles. Now, when you walk in, you're gonna have your living area right here in front. Then your dining right there. And your kitchen area to the right. So it does feel a little small. Obviously, it's only $1,590. And just to remind you guys again, it's $65 for the HOA for this specific community. There's no sit-in lids. This is a gated community. And this is also 20 minutes from Lee Canyon. So it's a little bit of a drive if you're going towards the airport, but you know, it's nice out here. If you guys like the mountain views, this would be a perfect community for you. Now, here's your backyard. Feels like this lot size is a little bit bigger. Can't open it. But here's your kitchen. You have a countertop here with your bar stool seating. That's always nice and convenient. Okay, you have your stainless steel sink right there, the dual basin, stainless steel faucet, brown cabinets. I'm not a big fan of brown cabinets, but maybe you are. This is your microwave, your stove. Your appliances are always going to be included on this. These main ones are going to be included with your dishwasher, but you won't get a fridge. That's something separate. This would be your garage, and here is your mini pantry. Oh, actually, okay, it's pretty. I thought it was just this section. I didn't even realize you have an additional section right here, so it's not that small. All right, so let's go to the second floor. Oh, here we go. I didn't even realize we have this too. So here's your coat closet right by the entrance. Let's go to the second floor. Guys, if you like the video, do me a favor, like this video, comment below, tell me what you like about it. And don't forget to bring a realtor with you. Anytime you guys check out any of these new build communities, you always want to have representation. So reach out to me. I'll leave my information in the display below. That way you can give me a call. All right, so this is your first bedroom right at the top of the stairs. Then you have a second bedroom right here. Some large windows, guys. Look at how big this window is. Very nice view. Here's your closet. Okay. Here's the shared bathroom. Now, this bathroom is a little odd. I'm pretty sure you can tell by now, but look how far the space is between the sink and this toilet. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. It's a little too close to the tub, but hey, this is what the builder decided to build. That window is an optional, but this is a prefabricated tub and shower combo that you get. Yeah, I don't know about that. It's kind of weird to me. All right, and this is where your washer and dryer would be. Let's take a look at your primary bedroom. But this is your little loft area that you get as well. So if you guys decide you guys want to make this like a little study area for your kids, you can. That's a good idea. And here is your primary. Okay. I like those slatted walls that they did right there. It looks like they don't have a fan up here, but you do get those canister lights. Here's your bathroom, your primary bath. You have your toilet right here. Here's your double vanity sink. But check this out. Your shower is right here, okay? So same as the other one, you have an optional window. You do have the combo for your stand-up shower and a tub. Here's your storage space. And you get your walk-in closet right here. Okay. So that's it for these model homes, guys. If you guys want more information about these model homes, do me a favor, give me a call. My name is Stan Lopez. I'm a realtor here in Las Vegas. If you guys did like this video, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you are going to be the first ones to learn about any new build community tours that I do here in the Las Vegas area. Once again, my name is Stan Lopez. I'm a realtor here in Las Vegas. Give me a call so I can help you be represented whenever you guys are going to do any of these new build communities, because you always want a proper representation. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video.